Welcome to GoGoDat. This is a DIY for name placards. When you're having a party of some sort and you want to have a placard for each seat so everybody knows where they're supposed to sit, find their name, and sit down, this is one of the ways you can do it. I did this for a party for my kids way back when, and I thought I would show you what I did. I will leave a pattern on my blog. If you look down below under show more, I will link it for you. So obviously I am using the window as a light table to copy the traced image of the dog and cat onto the Bristol board. In doing so, I am using a Sharpie, not a fine tip, but a thicker tip, black Sharpie. And this just gives it a good outlining for this simple character image.
Okay, so once you have it traced on one side, you're going to put it up on the window again and trace it so it's you see it on both sides. Now I'm going to show you how to do it with the dog. It's not that hard.
Bristol board is a thicker paper that is nice because it has a sturdiness to it, and it works very well for this project. I'll leave a link below for the Bristol board as well.
So you'll handwrite their name in here. So when you color this, you can make this like an orangey cat. Of course the kids are going to color it, right? At least one side. Handy dandy crayons. It's always fun to have a new box of crayons. I always loved it. Okay. Make sure you can see the cat. I'm going to use my Prismacolor pens. I keep them handy in a box so I can drag it around with me. I think I'll just show you what, I mean, these pens are really nice. They're a great gift idea too for like a young artist. Because, I mean, they're expensive, but if you know that person's going to use them. I mean, there's plenty of pens that are not expensive that you can use as well. I think I'll just outline this. You could also use Gamsol to, like I showed you in the other video, where it's a mineral spirit and you take a dry stick, dip it in, and it allows you to use pen or colored pencil. I think Gamsol will work. Oh, I got a frog in the garage. Hi, Froggy.
It's broken.
Okay. Hello. What are you doing in here? Tree frog sounds like. You could add a pink nose or whatever. Let's get my pink. Could even do some pinky highlighty cheeks too. Girls. And you could even color in the eyes. Green eyes and Hello, Froggy. I always kind of like to leave some of the white just so it contrasts, I guess. Okay, then you would just write the person's name here. Hopefully not too long a name, but... And then do this side as well.
Or leave it blank for the kids to color.
Puppy dog. Maybe a soft blue or something? I don't know. Let's see how that looks. I think the Gamasol just works
with the colored pencils, but you can try it with the pens. I'll put a link below where you can purchase the Gamasol if you don't have any. Also, I'll set up a link for the pens down below.
And I didn't draw the eyeballs, I just kept his eyes kind of weak. He doesn't even need them colored. But if you wanted to, you could very well do that. I'm not going to right now. So if you wanted to do this initially and then bring out the colors, the kids would have, you know, the color inside or whatever. So do both sides, of course. I'm not going to do it right now. I'm just showing you this to give you an idea. Just cut this out.
When I was younger, I used to love cutting. Now I get a little tired. If only we could cut this fast in real time. Now you're just going to fold this part over. So, probably want this to be about 2 inches, so it folds up on its own. Ta-da! Let's do the kitty cat now. Like so. I'm going to fold this part where he stands. And that's about 2 inches. Meow, puppy. You can cut this part out if you want to. I decided to cut this piece out after all. Happy creating! If you like this show, please give us a subscribe, a thumbs up, or a comment, or all three. Thank you.